What's going into you, Mano? Can you call? I'm worried. You haven't been answering me at all. Mom is nearly ready to go over state and find you. Please call back. You can talk to me, you know. I know I haven't always been there, but you've always made it difficult. I don't want to put the blame on you. I don't. But I would want you to work with me. I will call again. Hey, Mom just replaced the counter in your bedroom. She said she hopes you don't mind. I'm probably annoying you, but that's my job. Call me sis, really.
You're Manu, right?
Yeah?
I'm Merle. I'm in your class, the one we just got out of.
Oh, I haven't noticed you.
Didn't think so. You're always so away. Do you enjoy being alone?
I guess.
You into art?
What makes you say that?
We have art history together.
No, not certainly.
Do you know our names are similar? We're both named after birds in different languages.
How do you know mine is?
I got really into researching when I found out my own name was a bird. I don't really care about everyone else's, just yours because yours is similar to mine.
Are you fond of birds?
I mean, I guess so. It's easy to make friends with people you have similarities with, don't you think?
Seems about right. What I really wanted to say was, I tend to want to stay away from that. Similarities are not always good things. I mean, isn't that why there's a saying, opposites attract?
सोनिया आ वाले कपड़े क्यों पा के गई सी पंडे भी नहीं किते की करब तेरा दा
I don't know, Manu. Things are just different.
How does what you just told me make anything different?
They work me to the bone. I've changed. I mean, I guess that doesn't make anything, but my thoughts change.
Don't you still hate them?
No, they're just looking out for me, trying to teach me things. I guess I'll appreciate it later.
Anyways, we should talk more, Manu. I like your style, but I have to go now.
House is really nice.
Yeah. Let's go to the kitchen.
So, honey, how are your classes?
They're
Oh,
fine.
honey, are you making any new friends? I see your skin. Are you using that aloe vera I told you about?
Are you still annoying?
Are you eating healthy? You don't look that healthy, honey. Oh, I'm worried sick. Why are you answering my phone calls?
I just been busy. Mom, can I just show you around the house?
Oh, yeah, sure, honey.
Let's go. So, this is a little hangout spot.
Then you go to the bathroom.
Oh, it's in that hallway.
You're still a bookworm, huh? a nice house.
Thanks. It's not mine, of course.
So how have you been?
Good. Better. How about you?
Good.
School's nice. Work is okay. I met a friend.
If you're doing so well, why haven't you called? I've been worried so.
Well, I've been busy.
I just don't get it. You didn't even answer one call since you left the house.
I have.
Because you want something from your old room?
It's okay now. You're here.
You just don't get it.
Okay, girls, come on, let's make some lunch. It's a nice place.
Thanks. You never told me what your family business was.
Baking, you know, making small pastries and cakes 5 days a week.
Is it difficult?
Of course, working the dough and then assembling them, shipping them off. Not a lot of people work there. My sister barely even uses her hands. Apparently, I do the dough well.
I bet.
I mean, why can't you do at least the cookies? Enough about me. How was your family's visit?
It was okay, I guess. Me and my sister's relationship isn't the best either.
Do you guys fight a lot?
No, we just don't understand each other.
My sister will fight me, and that means she doesn't even want to understand me.
I'm sorry. That's all I can think of.
It's okay. So I went bad.
It was okay.
Oh, sorry, you told me that already.
The one thing I really wish for is to be understood and to understand.